Hey, today I am talking about these Thursday Boot Company Factory Seconds. I was looking for another Chelsea boot, something I could keep at the door just to throw on going out for a walk with the dog or things like that. Usually I would keep a pair of boots that's more of a sort of a waxy or something like the rugged and resilient leathers that are maybe meant more for getting scuffed up, beat up. And I thought maybe it'd be kind of neat to see how a smooth leather, something that's a little bit more polished or shiny, might look all scuffed up and beat up. So I was looking at their different Chelsea options and saw these Brandy Dukes and that there were factory seconds available. So for 150 bucks, I thought, man, that's a really great deal. I've always been happy with the different Thursday boots that I've had, so that would be neat. And also just looking at this brandy leather and thinking might be pretty neat to see what these look like all scuffed up and beat up, which down the road I'll definitely do an update video. And for factory seconds, I was actually really surprised. The finishing is awesome. Stitching's all really great. QC on the stitching aspects and the outsole is all really nice. There are just a couple of small spots in the finished where it looks like maybe the dye didn't take, or right there you can see one of the small little marks. And again, because I'm going to use these to beat them up, not something I'm really concerned about. So in my experience here with these Thursday seconds, definitely worth taking that big chunk of money off. Got a great boot, nice looking boot, and it's going to be durable as well. So those are some Thursday Boot Company factory seconds. Really looking forward to having these. They're super comfortable, really well made, and they're going to last. And I'm not too worried about those couple of little dye issues on the upper. It's not even noticeable from a distance anyways. All right, thanks so much for watching the video.